hope everyone had a really lovely Christmas. I'm here today with a bit of a Boxing Day shopping haul. I've saved up like little and little every year, and I always do this so I can go out shopping on Boxing Day and just get whatever my heart desires. Today actually I did really well, but I came in at about £50 total spent, which was a lot under budget. I went to Paperchase, I went to Smiggle, and I went to LUSH. LUSH only do a one-day sale. It was slightly chaotic, but I made out with all what I wanted. So, oh, I also went to Superdrug. I forgot Superdrug. Superdrug had some really nice stuff, but their sale had started earlier. So I'm going to start off with Paperchase. So this year they did a London themed Christmas like gift wrap range. So I got the ribbons. They're really cute. I mainly got this for the buses. They do say Merry Christmas on, but I've been working on a London bus skirt and needed ribbon with buses on. And to be honest, it's so hard to find. I was just like, thanks Paperchase. I got this, which is a make your own neon sign. This was reduced by like £10, which is quite a lot, so it was a £5. And I'm planning on making a neon teacup maybe and putting it somewhere on my bedroom wall, like over there kind of, or maybe here where I've got space. I could do a roundel if I wanted to stick with my London Underground theme. I only have 3 meters of the neon wire that comes in here, so let's see. Next up I have these star peg lights, these are for photos and they light up. I think these are really cute. I don't know, there's 20 centimeters space between like, how many are in here? It doesn't actually say how many clips there are. I hope it's not just like 3 of them. That'd be a bit disappointing. But yeah, these were 3 whole pounds, so I'd pay that for fairy lights anyway. I'm thinking of putting these over in my desk area, which once again is down there. Okay, Smiggle. We all know I love Smiggle. I finally bought these, which I have been lusting after for a while. There's a video I think that's coming out in a couple of days that does have these in, and I'm saying I want them. These went on offer. They're 2 for £5. And they smell good. I can be like a magical girl writing like pew, pew. And then I got this, which actually only came out earlier this year, and it's a fringe. It's fringe or badges. I think this is the fringe series. Came in a little gift box. It's got a shoulder strap. But like, it's a really cute little purse, and I was like, that's gonna be great for cons. It's got a tiny mirror, and then like the zippy bit at the back for your coins. But this is like gonna be the best purse I have for like conventions when I don't want to take like a huge bag. That was exciting. That was in the sale at Smiggle. Okay, I'm gonna move on to. I'm gonna save the LUSH till last because everyone loves the LUSH haul, right? So, Superdrug is just your typical sort of like drug store, but they have like extra stuff, especially at Christmas. These I got for me and my bestie. We both have matching like Snow White cosplans, but hers is Apple White from Ever After High. I'm doing like, I haven't decided whether I'm going to do proper 50s Snow White. I've done original Snow White in the past and it wasn't great, but I love Snow White. I forget I love her. As a kid I always used to get told that she was the princess I looked most like because I had black hair that was this long. But yeah, I got these really cute little Snow White apple mugs. That's like cute. I totally didn't need more mugs, but I was like, oh, these would be really cute for like a photo shoot. And I was like, I drink the poison apple. Then I got these highlighters. I was really like, I nearly bought these when they were full price. I think full price they were like 25 or something. I paid 7. There's 5 highlighters. These are from I Heart Makeup or I Heart Revolution. Oh, it's I Heart Revolution. It used to be I Heart Makeup. And they're all like Christmas themed and they're really cute. They're little highlighters. I don't always use highlighter. Oh, they're so cute, and they're basically like the Too Faced hot highlights. That's what they're meant to replicate, but they're cute and they're affordable. And then the last thing I got, which I was really surprised this was so cheap, is this Real Techniques brush set. So it's got 3 brushes, a sponge, and there's a makeup bag in the back. This was £10. Like, Real Techniques brushes don't normally go that cheap. I went into Boots and had a look at them. They didn't have this set. I think this set was just at Superdrug with the neon at the bottom. But they had a couple of sets and they were more expensive still than that. For like the same amount of stuff. So, finally, it's Lush time. I love a good Lush shop. I did really well. I got 3 things. Just double checking what I actually paid. Oh my gosh, that was such a good price. So, first up I got the Fairy Dust dusting powder. I think this is everything I got, I'm pretty sure is in the Snow Fairy series. So, I got Fairy Dust. I haven't actually smelled this, but it's like a shimmer powder. I don't think it'll smell. Oh no, it smells of Snow Fairy! Oh my gosh! Yeah, you like put it on you, and I really don't think anything will ever pick this up, but it gives you a nice like little glitzy. Yeah, the camera is not going to pick that up at all. It's really fine glitter, like it's just enough to like make you look a little sparkly. It'd be good for like, I would completely cover my body in it for like a big tea party. The like glitter time. So that was the first one I got. Then I also got the Snow Fairy body spray. This was down to £10 from 20. And I love how they're like industrial cleaner sprays. But yeah, it's just your typical like spray. I didn't take the seal off. It just threw the seal at me. Yeah, it sprays like that. It is a very wide spray, like I don't think the camera picked that up, but like now everything in my room's gonna smell of Snow Fairy. Yeah, I might actually sneak out and buy another. I don't know. Actually no, I lied. I got a gift box. I think there's one in the gift box. I think I picked up the right one. So this is the Snow Fairy gift pack. It's the body spray one, yes! So you've got body spray, conditioner, and shower gel. Flower shell, apparently. And I'm gonna open this. I know I haven't opened like most of the other stuff, but I want to actually see what these look like. I've never had a Lush gift set before. There we go. Oh, that was all one ribbon. Nicely tied, Lush. So then, oh, it's just like a normal present. That's so cute. Like, I don't want to save the paper, but what would I do with it? Hello, Lush fans. What do you do with your Lush paper if you ever buy gift sets? I may go back and buy more Snow Fairy. I don't know. There's a couple I looked at, but like I was allergic to one thing in them. And my housemate only has showers, so I couldn't really give him the ones I'm allergic to. 100% recycled paper. Oh, you gotta love Lush. Ah, no, I'm ripping it. I've ripped it. Oh, oh. Ah, the box is pink. That's cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the packing peanuts are stars. That's cute. Yeah. Oh, it's a baby. We've got a mini Snow Fairy spray. That's cute. That'd be nice, like travel one. Then there's the shower gel. They all should, in theory, smell the same. And then there's the body conditioner. I've never had a body conditioner before, so yeah. Okay, so you put this on, then you wash, or then you wash it off. It's bright pink. I got some on my nose. But no, that is my Boxing Day haul. I hope everyone has a delightful, like, Christmas festive time, and that you have a great new year. See you later!